Hi everyone, welcome back to Sklearning, where we help you boost your Excel skills. In this video, I'll show you how to encrypt your Excel workbooks with passwords, keeping your sensitive information secure from unauthorized access. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more helpful tutorials. First, let's quickly discuss why it's important to encrypt your Excel workbooks. Encrypting your workbooks protects them from unwanted access, making sure only authorized people can view or edit your data. Let's open Excel. To start, open the Excel workbook you want to protect. We have some data in this Excel file, and maybe you have some important data as well. Now, I need to encrypt or password protect this Excel file so that no unauthorized person can open it. First, go to the Save As menu. Select the path where you want to save the file. Below, you will see an Options section. Click on the Tools drop-down. From there, click on General Options. Now, enter a strong password. Make sure it's something you can remember because Excel does not provide a password recovery option. Re-enter the password to confirm. Be aware, Excel doesn't offer password recovery, so if you forget your password, you won't be able to access your file. Use a strong but memorable password. After setting your password, save the workbook and close it. Let's reopen it to see how the password prompt works. Give the password, and that's it. You've successfully encrypted your Excel workbook. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and let us know in the comments what tutorials you'd like to see next. Check out more of our tutorials here to level up your Excel game. See you in the next video.